Hi friends, welcome to Digi Locker. We have been pushing many videos, e-governments related videos, which has benefited many of the people, and we have got good review also. Thank you very much for the same. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button below this video. Also press the bell button so that you get notifications for each of our new video releases. Now let us have a look at Digi Locker application. So why we need a Digi Locker application? It is just like signing all your documents against your Aadhaar, and so it is like issuing a validated digitally signed document from the authority, from the government of India. So what is the advantage of this is, suppose you are traveling anywhere, for example, and you did not carry your RC book or driving license or insurance copy. If you have kept your all these copies digitally verified in the Digi Locker, you can show this to your RTO or police officer, and it is legally valid. So you don't need to carry all your original certificates always, which is prone to risks. So let us see how this is getting done. Let us open a Play Store application. In the search, you can just give Digi Locker. So just install the application, accept the access, and once it is done, just open. So for the first time users, you are supposed to sign up here. Okay, so you can see the option of sign up and sign in button in the first screen, but please note, I am not going to do a sign up process here because this is the same everywhere. You have to give your Aadhaar, your mobile number and email address, and OTP comes there. Once it is done, you have to validate your OTP and set your password. Password should contain capital letter, small letter, special character. That's the same as anything. Okay, so I have done it already. I'm not going to do a sign up process. You can see here I had clicked in the sign in window where my username and password has to be entered. So just enter your username and password here. Once you have entered your credentials, so you usually your username will be a string and the password is what you have set. Okay, once you have entered, you can see there is a dashboard. You can see the top of the text Digi Locker, below that there is a dashboard. So we are into dashboard now. There is another section, issued documents. So what is our agenda, main motto is pushing that all the documents whatever we needed, push it to the issued documents and get it validated. Okay, let us see step by step. Now you can see in this dashboard I have 2 documents issued already. The number is 2, you can see on the top. Now you can see below text like get your digital driving license, get your digital vehicle RC. So this is what the things we needed. We need I'll just show you in this demo how to digitally get your digitally signed RC and insurance copy. So you can follow the same process for even the digitally driving license also. So let us have a look at it, how to get it done. Just press on the issue document section. When you click on the issue document section, there is a search document option. You can click on the search document option, and you can see the first option is unique identification authority of India, which is the authority who is going to issue the Aadhaar. You can, if you click on that text, you can get an Aadhaar text below. Now you just click on the Aadhaar text. Once it is done, you get a consent message. This just says you are providing consent to Aadhaar. Now you click on this and press OK. You get an OTP here. Just validate your OTP here. Now once this is done, you can see in my issue document section Aadhaar card has already appeared, right? You can see it here. First one is the Aadhaar code. So that means I have just digitally verified my Aadhaar against my OTP and issued here. So now this has appeared in the issued section. So let us follow the same thing and add other documents like RC and insurance copy of my vehicle using this Aadhaar. So once again you come to the issue document section and click on the search document. So in this search document, just type insurance. So when you type insurance here, you can see all the insurance companies have almost listed, right? Bajaj Allianz, Future General, Max Life, new what are the future general max life insurance, might be new India insurance, and Tata AIA life. Okay, so what is the thing what we are going to do? For example, suppose my insurance I have taken for my vehicle is from Tata AIG, or say Bharati AXA. So that has not yet appeared here, right? You can see there are only this many options. So still we can add it, we can get it done. You have to select the text, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, all states. This is the option you have to select here. Once you select that options, you can see a vehicle insurance certificate option. Just click here. So this way you can add any insurance which is digitally signed. See what you have to do here. You have to give your vehicle registration number and your wife or daughter or whose name it is, and you have to give your chassis number. So now I have given all these options, like by default when I enter all these numbers and click on provide your consent for Digi Locker for eKYC. So we are doing a KYC verification of our documents using our Aadhaar, which is already we have added in this section. So I gave my vehicle registration number first, and then I have given for example, suppose it is in my name, and the responsible person I have to give in the second line as my father's name, and third line I have given the chassis number of the vehicle, and you just click on get document. So if your all data is correct, you can see here in my case I have added the documents, right? Issued document section. If you click here, you can see two more documents got added here. You can see here registration of vehicle is added, which was I have done already. Now the new documents I have added here is vehicle insurance certificate. You can see the bottom. See, this is the thing got newly added by giving the details. Now let us have a look at how to add your so this is the thing we have a look at. Now let us have a look at how to add your RC. Previously we had added the insurance copy. Now I am going to add the RC book. What you have to do is you have to click on the in the first page, right, in the dashboard, as you have seen. Now if you want, I can have a, so you come back to your dashboard page. Now you click on get your digital vehicle RC. So insurance is already added, I have explained. Now we are going to add the RC book. Now what you have to see in this page is you have to give registration number of your vehicle and chassis number. Only two things are important, and give your consent and click on get document. So you can see here I have added the registration or document of vehicle also. You can see here registration of vehicles is already added. So what you can see from here is registration of vehicle, Aadhaar card and vehicle insurance certificate is successfully added. So how can we see this? See here, registration of vehicle is added. If you click, there is a right for each document there is a right three dots. If you click there and click on view, it just shows your digitally verified document. So this is what you have to show your authority. Suppose anyone asks you for vehicle related thing, you open this this application, and what you have to see is right click dot. You just click on the dot and click on view. You can even in that option there is a download option also. You can get this downloaded also. So you can see here what are the things. It is vehicle registration certificate, it says on the top, and this is digitally Digi Locker verified. That's very important. Once you have done a KYC, you can get here, and right side also you can see a digital signature, right? So all your vehicle information is here and it is digitally verified. So this is how you can add any documents here. So I hope the same way you can even add your digital copy of your driving license also. So this way things are done. You are showing this to any authority, it will work out without hard copy. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you very much. I'd like to request you for subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. See you with another video.